In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, missionaries on a mission to give hope.
TVJ's Ray of Hope.
It might look like an old empty shell, but this facility, the best it has looked in a while, is bringing hope to over 60 youths in and around West Kingston. It's called the Dream Center, and despite its condition, youths from communities like Trenchtown and Denhamtown make an effort to be here every Thursday and Saturday for self-defense training. It's an initiative started by U.S. Pastor Travis Stewart after his first visit to the island.
We were talking to some youth that were coming from school, and I asked some of the youth, what is it that you want to do when you grow up? And they looked me straight in the eye and just glazed over, and they said, we'll never grow up. And I said, what do you mean? They said, well, we'll be dead before we get out of high school. They started explaining the area that they grew up in and what's going on around them and how all their friends are dying. And it just really hit me hard.
That was 12 years ago. 6 months after his visit, he returned to Jamaica with his family and started the Jesus Way Jamaica Foundation. Through that foundation, he, along with other missionaries, work with youths in inner-city communities to repurpose their lives.
They were shy and timid and they wouldn't even look at a guy, to where now they're standing with their head up and their shoulders back saying, I'm not a victim. You're not allowed to touch me. And then their parents coming and saying, Pastor T, thank you for what you're doing. The change that I'm seeing in my child is just so amazing.
There's a lot of gang in the community that I could join. And if it wasn't for them persons, Pastor Travis, who I could talk to and rap with, I would have gone in those gangs.
When there's no love, you feel like no one's love you. The program show you love.
Young people's life are being impacted, and because their life are being impacted, they share that with their parents.
Pastor Travis is encouraging others to give a ray of hope.
You have something that you can give. Your time, your energy, your efforts, whether it's an employee that comes in and they're just looking down, look to see how you can give back to them, how you can encourage them. And to the kids, don't give up dreaming, because there are things that you can do that none of us can do. There's a Jamaican saying, one cook a full basket. It's going to take all of us.
With a Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.
TVJ's Ray of Hope.